Welcome to the Financial Genius Show. Today's question: can you really start investing with just $100? Yes, you absolutely can. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, beginner-friendly game plan to make that first $100 start working for you. Let's be real, saving money is great, but it's not enough. If you leave your cash in a savings account, inflation slowly eats away at it. Investing is how your money grows, passively, while you sleep, work, or binge Netflix. And no, you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. With just $100, you can start building real wealth. The key is doing it smart. Step 1 is simple, but most people skip it. Set a goal. What are you investing for? Retirement? A down payment? Building financial freedom? This matters because your timeline and risk tolerance depend on it. For long-term goals, you can afford more risk. Short-term, you'll want something safer. Next, pick the right investing platform. You want something beginner-friendly with no commissions and support for fractional shares. Some top picks are Fidelity, great customer service, no fees, solid for long-term. Robinhood, easy interface, good for quick starts. M1 Finance lets you automate investing into customizable portfolios. With these platforms, you can buy pieces of expensive stocks like Amazon or Google. No need to spend thousands. Now, where should that $100 go? Forget betting everything on a single stock, too risky. Instead, start with ETFs or exchange-traded funds. These are like bundles of many stocks, so your risk is spread out. Here are 3 solid beginner picks: VTI, Total US, Stock Market, VOO, S&P 500 Index, the 500 biggest US companies, QQQ, top tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. These ETFs are diversified, low-cost, and proven over time. And yes, you can invest in them with just a few dollars. Here's the real game changer: consistency. Don't just invest $100 once and forget about it. Set up automatic contributions. Even $10 a week adds up. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Start now, stay consistent, and compound interest will do its magic. A few quick tips for your mindset. Don't panic when the market dips. This is normal. Avoid meme stocks and hype. You're building wealth, not gambling. Reinvest your dividends. Most apps let you do this automatically. Think of your first $100 as planting a tree. Water it consistently and it'll grow into something amazing. That's your $100 investing roadmap. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart money moves, and drop a comment. What's the first thing you would invest in with $100?